Hi, I'm James Berry, part of the technical team at the Property Care Association. We are the UK's leading trade body for specialists that deal with the investigation and control of dampness in our homes and buildings. In this short video, we will be considering what is damp. Damp is essentially the presence of unwanted moisture in the structure of our buildings. Most of us will experience it at some point in our lives, and it may be as simple as water condensing on our windows during the winter. But other issues can be complex and more extensive. Too much water can be problematic, and if it's not dealt with quickly, can lead to costly repairs or possible health implications. Dampness can lead to a range of problems. These could potentially be structural. For example, where timber elements are embedded in wet walls, there is a risk of timber decay, or more commonly known as rot. Typically, this will be in areas such as suspended timber floors, but also our roofs. It could also lead to spoiling of our decorative finishes. Plaster and paintwork start to bubble and blister, becoming unsightly and unattractive. But more importantly, there is also possible health implications, especially those that are vulnerable to respiratory issues. Broadly speaking, dampness can come from one of four possible sources. It can come from the ground as rising damp or high ground levels. It can come from the sky in the form of rainwater. Then we have our day-to-day activities. As we cook, shower, breathe, all of these things produce moisture in our homes. Lastly, we have escape of water, such as burst pipes, faulty plumbing, or broken white goods, all of which can lead to damp problems. Regardless of the source of damp, one thing is always key: to try and get to it quickly. The sooner you can address the issue, the less damage it's likely to cause, so early intervention is always preferable. Our homes are designed in ways to deal with all of these types of damp. When it comes to groundwater, most of our homes are fitted with damp-proof courses. When it comes to controlling rainwater, we have guttering and rainwater goods that are all designed to discharge water away from the property before they can become problematic. Our walls are designed to deal with water too, and that is why we've evolved from solid wall structures to cavity walls. Even within our buildings, we have means of dealing with water. This is principally our ventilation systems. Extractor fans and trickle vents are designed to deal with moisture created within our homes. Unfortunately, sometimes these measures can go wrong and result in dampness. Gutters can become blocked, especially in the autumn when leaves start to fall from the trees. Extractor fans become less efficient if they're not cleaned. For this reason, maintenance is crucial when it comes to the prevention of damp. Sometimes the smallest defect can lead to large damp issues. Where damp is suspected, it's important the issue is identified early and correctly investigated to find the source of damp prior to any control or treatment measures. This is important because every damp problem will have its own unique solution. Failure to act on an issue or improper diagnosis may lead to unnecessary, costly and expensive repairs.